gentlemen, our Commander-in-Chief, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Para sa pagbabago, bayan ko sa magnanakaw na tao.
Ricardo Visaya, Governor Rebecca Inares, Mayor Rex San Watco, men and women of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Alam mo, at this early, umiikot na po ako ng mga kampo ng militar at isunod ko yung police. Because I'm a great believer na pag matatag ang militar ko at matatag yung ating mga police, and that is why I seem to be lacking of sleep, which is really because following day I have to work again, wake up early. But still, I'm happy that I'm here with you. Just sa kampo, you cannot go out of the camp without the permission of the camp commander. Itong police, after reporting sa estasyon, yon kanya-kanya na. At karami of the citizens there. We are 104 million. You give me a shit about how many? 1,600 being killed there. You're not even sure. Kung ilan lang, magpagwapo kayo, look good, smell good, fight good, para a very good Filipino soldier. Maraming salamat po.